I'm going to be showing you how to defend in eFootball in 2026. So defending in eFootball in 2026 is all about patience and positioning, not just pressing buttons. So here's a simple but effective guide. So what you need to do is know that you do not have to rush. So that's the biggest mistake you can make. Don't sprint at attackers and don't spam tackle. Instead, what we need to do is hold position and let the attacker make the mistake. You can also try using jockey or contain. Just hold match up and jockey button if you're using a joystick. But if you're doing it in phone, it's a different technique. All you need to do is face your attacker and it blocks passing lanes, and this is your main defensive tool. You also need to use sprint carefully. Only sprint when chasing through balls, recovering positions. So sprinting too much makes you very easy to beat. You also need to make sure you're controlling the right player, switch players early, and use the closest defender, not always the center back. So in all of these ways, you can successfully defend in eFootball 2026. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.